Managing test day anxiety, taking breaks effectively. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of your IELTS test day, managing test day anxiety. Specifically, we'll be delving into the art of taking breaks when allowed. It might sound simple, but knowing how to utilize these breaks can be a game changer for your performance. You might wonder, why are breaks important? Well, our brains can only concentrate for a certain amount of time before it needs a brief pause. Breaks can 1. Refresh your mind, helping you approach questions with a clearer mindset. 2. Allow you to stretch and relax your muscles, ensuring you don't feel physically drained. 3. Provide a moment to hydrate or have a snack, keeping your energy levels up. The IELTS exam doesn't give you free rein to take breaks whenever you'd like. It's structured, so here's when you can expect them. 1. After the listening and reading sections, before the writing test. 2. Before the speaking test, since it's often scheduled separately. Remember, during individual sections, you cannot simply pause and take a break. Plan accordingly. Here are some top tips to make the most out of your breaks. 1. Stay hydrated. Sip some water but don't drink too much to avoid frequent bathroom breaks. 2. Stretch. Stand up, roll your shoulders, and stretch your legs. It can help in rejuvenating your body and mind. 3. Mindful breathing. Taking deep breaths can calm your nerves. Remember, staying calm is half the battle. 4. Avoid overthinking. During your break, try not to dwell on the previous sections or stress about the upcoming ones. Take this time to clear your mind. And that's it. Taking breaks is more than just a pause. It's a strategy to keep your mind sharp and your energy high. Use them wisely and to your advantage. We hope this video sheds light on how important and beneficial breaks can be during your IELTS test day. Best of luck, and remember, you've got this.